Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Random Robot Does Something Random. In today's episode I'll be addressing one of the problems that the Grainfather S40 has. As you can see here, I set the Grainfather for 68 degrees Celsius and I only have approximately 10 liters of water in the unit because I want it to heat up fast. I'm just using this as a demonstration. So as we approach our set point temperature of 68 degrees, you can actually see that we are going to overshoot our temperature. And this is due to the fact that we have a very low volume of water and we have no grain in the unit. Normally my overshoot is approximately 1 degree Celsius. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to artificially cool down the unit. I'm just going to add some cold water to the unit and get it down to its cut-in temperature. And you will notice here that the elements don't turn back on until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. That's an 8-degree temperature differential. And this is problematic because when you're doing a mash, you want to maintain that 68 degrees so that the enzymes can work on the starches and turn them into sugars. So this is the largest problem with the unit. So what I'm going to do is after this gets up to temperature, I'll show you a quick and easy workaround to this issue. So again, I did have a little bit of overshoot in this case, and I just added a little bit of cold water to bring the unit back down to the 68 degrees. Now the workaround is basically I wait till the unit falls below the set temperature, in this case 68 degrees, and I'm just going to hit the set button to reset the temperature, and it will immediately turn the elements back onto the unit. And this will help prevent those huge temperature swings in your mashing process. Now, there are some disadvantages to this method. One is the timer will no longer operate correctly because every time you reset the temperature, it resets the timer. What I do is I just set an alarm on my cell phone to let me know when the mash should be completed. So if you found this video helpful, maybe consider hitting the like and subscribe button. And again, thanks again for watching the Random Robot Does Something Random.